Imagine a world where your virtual environment is always one step ahead of potential issues. Hive Sense offers this reality by transforming how we monitor and maintain digital landscapes. Hive Sense is HiveIO's cloud-based proactive monitoring system that aggregates data from across your virtual infrastructure to predict and prevent disruptions. Hive Sense learns from each of its participating customers, identifying anomalies and engaging support even before you realize it. This proactive approach ensures seamless operations, giving you peace of mind and allows you to focus on what truly matters. HiveSense, combined with HiveIO's responsive support services, keep your systems running smoothly, like having your own team monitoring your environment 24/7. Ready to elevate your virtual environment's reliability. Empower your digital landscape today and experience the future of proactive monitoring with HiveSense. Contact one of our experts at info@hiveio.com or visit our website at www.hiveio.com to see how to get started.